Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Now, who doesn't like tomatoes? I think we all love tomatoes, and I've made several recipes with tomatoes, and today I'm going to share a wonderful tomato pickle recipe that you all will absolutely enjoy. So let's get started and check it out. To a wide pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 kilo of ripened tomatoes that have been chopped nicely and a handful of tamarind along with the tomatoes. You can just divide the tamarind into small bits or soak it in water and then add them along with the chopped tomatoes. Otherwise, the tamarind will get well cooked along with the tomatoes. There's no need to add water at this point because the moisture from the tomatoes is enough to cook them. Once the tomatoes have become a bit mushy, add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix it well. You can adjust the salt and spice according to your taste. Let the tomatoes cook for about 15 minutes. Once they are completely cooked, turn off the stove and transfer it to a bowl and cool it completely. To a small pan, add 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds and 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds and roast them. Keep the flame on low and dry roast it evenly. Once the fenugreek seeds are roasted, add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and roast them. Once the mustard seed starts spluttering, add about 20 garlic cloves, few curry leaves and saute. Once they are all well roasted, transfer it to a plate and cool it completely. Transfer the tomato tamarind mixture to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice smooth paste. Do not add any water while grinding the tomatoes. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Now transfer the roasted cool spices to a mixer jar and grind it to a slightly coarse powder. Transfer the masala powder to a bowl. This masala powder will enhance the flavors of the pickle. To a wide kadai, add half cup of oil. Add 2 teaspoons of chana dal, 2 teaspoons of urud dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and roast them. Once the chana dal and urud dal are roasted, add a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 3 red chilies cut into half, few curry leaves. Add the tomato and tamarind paste and mix everything well. And let it boil for about 20 minutes till all the raw smell goes. Add a half cup water, give it a quick mix. The tomato mixture is boiling for about 10 minutes now. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 3 teaspoons of red chili powder and mix everything well. Add the freshly ground masala and mix it all together. As soon as you add this masala powder, it will change the color and the flavor of the pickle. Add about 3 tablespoons of oil and mix again. At this stage, you can check for seasoning and adjust the salt and spice as required. After 20 minutes, if you see the oil has separated beautifully, the pickle has got this lovely rich color. Turn off the stove and cool the pickle completely. Once it's cooled, transfer it to a nice airtight container or a jar and you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 months. This pickle is great for steamed rice, for idlis, dosas, curd rice and even chapatis. This is is a wonderful tomato pickle recipe. Make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. It's time to taste this delicious tomato pickle with nice hot steaming rice and a little bit of ghee. Oh, I'm already drooling. Oh my god, the flavors are just amazing. I can just enjoy this. I can keep eating this. It's that tasty, so yummy. I'm in a happy place right now. The flavors are simply amazing. This is a must-try recipe and make sure you follow all the instructions to get it perfectly. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.